Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2015 Ford F750 service utility truck. It has a maintainer 10,000 pound fully hydraulic crane. It has a 14-foot maintainer utility body. It has a couple of tool drawers, and this crane and all hydraulics are powered by an Enpak power unit, so the truck does not need to be running, just the Enpak, so keeping the truck hours low. Truck itself is in mostly original condition on the exterior. It's got some minor scrape, scratches, dings, dents, things like that, but it's a nice, fairly original truck. All tires are in good condition. Deep tread remaining. The frame and underside on this truck's in great shape. Nice shiny black color. As you can see, very, very nice underneath. Now we've gone through it, checked it out, so lights, brakes, tires, any type of basic DOT items, and then a little bit further we do operate obviously the crane and fix any deficiencies with that, but we spend a good bit of time, effort, and money on every truck that comes through here. So this one's been gone through in service, and everything that I've done to it or we've done to it is something that we can tell you. Get a list on what we've done to it. Showing 245,872 miles at the time of this video. Starts right up. It's got a Cummins 6.7 liter Allison automatic. This hour meter is showing 13,635. Does have an exhaust brake, and it does have a wheel lock. AM, FM radio, heat, air conditioning, all that fancy stuff. Interior is in good condition overall. There's some minor wear and tear showing for the miles and age of it. But a nice truck. It's got cruise control. It does have crank windows. But you can see there is a small tear or a tear showing in the driver's seat bottom. But it is an air seat. Coming back here, you can see the utility box. We've got a couple of tool drawers in these front utility boxes. They open and close as they should. You got some interior lighting as well as some exterior lighting. Go through and show you these tool drawers. These are ag body tool drawers. Also, this D2 cabinet houses all your switches for your lights as well as your Enpak. So again, the truck does not need to be running to operate your crane. It just runs off the Enpak. So that's really nice. You can run your little engine, keep your big engine off, keep the hours off of that. All the boxes open and close as they should. Got some nice interior lights in all these boxes. Again, good tires all the way around, deep tread remaining. Frame and underside on this truck's in great shape. Lots of storage on this truck. With the 14-foot body, you get plenty of options for storage, and it does even have the underbody storage, or the rear workstation storage rather. It does have, as maintainers do, the manual controls at the rear. These are for the outriggers, those are for the crane. But it does have your wired remote as well. Inside, between the boxes shows nice. Got some surface rust present, but no major rot. It's just the undercoating peeling up, basically. It's a pretty nice truck overall. So it does have a waste oil tank and extractor. So I'll show you that on the other side, but that tank, let's see, that tank up front is your waste oil, and then you've got a hydraulic tank here for all your hydraulics, obviously. Plenty of space if you wanted to add a welder. Now that Enpak does have an air compressor mounted, or it's integrated with that, so you don't, so you have an air compressor present, but if you wanted to add an external one or a hydraulic, another hydraulic or whatever up on top, you got plenty of space for both a welder and another air compressor if you wanted another one. Crane works as it should. Enpak fires right up. We're gonna pan to our next video, which shows you that. With plenty of storage in this truck. This houses our wired remote, and it's a proportional wired remote, has just your standard toggle switches. Plenty of storage. This truck, I'm gonna get tired of opening drawers after this. Everything on this thing is nice, and again, mostly original, so we didn't hardly do any paint work. I don't think we did any paint work to this, maybe just some light touching up. All right, so this is your oil extractor. It's got a reel there, so you can get to whatever you're extracting. Enpak is mounted conveniently right there, but as you saw, it's got a remote start that's in the one of the driver toolboxes. But a great truck, inside and out, starts right up. Relatively late model, 2015. So she's within 10 years. But a good truck. A lot of people like these 750s. They're, they're basically a medium to heavy duty chassis, but still feel and drive like a smaller chassis. I'll show you underneath. There's no major leaks underneath. But you can check this truck out for sale on our website. Our website's lewistrucks.com. That's LEWIS, trucks with an S.com. We're Lewis Motor Company, located in Clarksville, Maryland, which is just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. You can fly into GVWR Airport for 20 minutes from there, and we'll even pick you up. But a real nice truck. I've got plenty of service trucks. Give me a call. We'll get one sold to you. Take a look at my inventory, and then we probably have another 30 or 40 that we're working on. So if this one doesn't fit your needs, give me a call. We'll find you one that does. Thank you guys for watching.